Hello, my name is Geert. I'm from Belgium, close to Brussels. I'm sitting here now at NURIDENT in Bulgaria. About 6 months ago, I was in Spain and I had a problem because I lost a few teeth in front. It was a problem because I knew already a few years before the dentist told me I will lose all my teeth. So I had a few problems of infections in my mouth. So when in Spain the accident happened, we checked the internet to find a very good dental clinic. So we arrived at NURIDENT. For me it was an adventure because I didn't know what I was doing, where I was going, but I must say the people are very friendly, they are very competitive, they know what they are doing, they take very good care of their patients. I can only say I'm very pleased about the work they did. So it was in 2 steps. The first steps, they put a few implants, some teeth, plastic teeth, just to give your mouth the time to heal. And then after 4 to 6 months, my case was 6 months, I came back. What I did now, they put some implants more, they check everything very precautiously. They take a lot of radios to see if everything is okay. So now they put extra implants and now finally I have my complete teeth in my mouth and I'm very happy with it. I was pleased to be received by NURIDENT, by the boss, Mr. NURIDENT himself, who puts always the implants, and I feel great, I'm happy, I have my smile back. So if you are looking for a good dentist clinic, don't hesitate, go to NURIDENT, it's very, very professional. See you and good luck.